Alright, I'm going to teach a concept. Concept I probably can't explain too well, but maybe I can. Hopefully, it's the concept of floaters. And basically, what a floater is whenever your poi head and your hand are moving together parallelly like that. So, say if I was going to do a downward floater, I would stall horizontally right there and float down. So that would be a downwards floater. And basically all you need to do is just learn your horizontal stalls like that. Instead of bringing it back, just kind of, as soon as it stalls and reaches that 0 point, just move your hand down. So that's how you do it downwards. Now how to do it upwards, basically in a normal swing, whenever your swing comes to this point, just start moving your hand upwards. I'll send it into an upwards floater. Then if you go back up, you can also float back down, which also, if you understand that, will help you with your cat eyes. So I've had a few people say they're having trouble with their cat eyes, and if you practice these floaters right here, floating up then down, you kind of get to realize it's the same thing as a cat eye. So that's another little helpful tip in there. So there's upwards and downwards. You can also go from side to side. I'm not really too good at it, but basically one way to do it from side to side is to stall down and just move your hand. It kind of gives it kind of a hovering effect, I think. Like that. Do it that way. And you could also do it when the poi is stalled up. And this is something I'm really not good at, but I'll give it a shot to show you how it works. Well, basically you're going to spin, and as the poi comes up, just move your hand over. Yeah. But yeah, it's basically floaters, and it's like I said, one of those things that aren't the most, they're not the most coolest looking thing doing them by themselves. But if you can make creative ways to throw them into your routine and all that goodness, then they actually become really cool. So I'll try to do some examples of floaters. Like I said, I'm not really the best at them, so they might not look too pretty, but you will kind of get the idea. Oops. Do something like yeah.